If your goal is to become a professional pond installer, you need to understand water quality. So let's have a mini lesson on pH. pH stands for the potential of hydrogen. The pH scale represents the relation of hydrogen ions to hydroxyl ions. Higher hydrogen content equals more acidic water, and as hydroxyl ions outnumber hydrogen ions, the water becomes more basic. pH is measured on a numbered scale of 1 to 14. A pH of 7 is considered neutral. This means that the hydrogen and hydroxyl ions are in complete balance. Numbers above 7 are called basic, or mistakenly alkaline and hard. Now numbers below 7 are termed acidic. Typical ponds have a pH range of 6 to 11, as you see shadowed in the box, which is slightly acidic to strongly basic. For instance, 8.2 would be a very acceptable pH level. A pH of 4 is strong enough now to dissolve nails, so needless to say, this is not good for aquatic life. There are many things that influence the pH values in water. Probably most influential are existing dissolved minerals and metals found in water. These elements are buffers, typically expressed as alkalinity and hardness. The higher the alkalinity levels, the more the water becomes stuck at a higher pH. Alkalinity is made up of a total of all buffering elements in the water, typically expressed in parts per million. Now, hardness is similar but more specific. It refers to the amount of dissolved calcium and magnesium in the water. Water is termed hard when levels are around 300 parts per million or more. The higher the hardness and alkalinity values are, the lower the chances you will have of fluctuations in your pH. Now, having explained some of the aspects in water chemistry, here's a pro tip from Team Aquascape. Leave the test kits alone. It is not called water chemistry for nothing. It truly is chemistry. Most people who begin tinkering with test kits do more damage to their water than good. That's because it is very difficult to influence and manage water quality in an outdoor pond using chemicals. Resist the temptation to become a slave to the test kit. Here's another pro tip. The pH levels in a pond involve many variables. This makes it very difficult and potentially dangerous to use chemicals to change the pond's pH levels. If you have hard water, chances are that even large quantities of chemicals won't immediately change the pH. Then suddenly it may drop, causing your whole system to crash.